Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, today in this video you will learn about the desktop of Windows 11. This whole screen is called a desktop. In desktop we have different things. Uh, all these are called icons. We have two types of icons on the desktop. Let me define one by one. I'm opening here the notepad. Types of icons. Okay, we have system icons and we have user icons or application icons. System icons are those icons when we install the operating system. It is installing by default in the operating system. For example, we have this PC, we have recycle bin, we have control panel. All these icons are system icons, and the icons that is installing with the application program, or you are installing any software, or you are creating your own icon on the desktop. These are called user icons or application icons. All these are application icons. And in the picture that you are seeing here, this is called a background, or you can also say the wallpaper. This is the wallpaper, or it is a background which appears on the desktop. Then we will talk about this menu. When you are right clicking on the any empty area of the desktop, you will see this window. In this window we have different options. We will discuss one by one. Okay, and this area is called a taskbar. We will have a separate lecture on it. Let discuss about this window. First we have view. When you bring the mouse on the view, then here another window will open. In this window we have some more options. For example, we have large icons. When you will click on the large icons, these icons will appear bigger. Let me click on it. Now the icons are very bigger. So this option is for this purpose. Then we have medium icons. When you click on the medium icons, it will make itself to medium. Then we have small icons. When you click on the small icons, it will appear smaller. So we are leaving it in the medium icons. Click on the medium icons. Then we have auto arrange icons. Okay, this option is disabled. What is the duty of this option? For example, I'm bringing this icon here, so you can drag and drop the icons anywhere you want. If you enable this option, then you cannot drag and drop the icons that you want. It will arrange itself automatically. Let me enable this option. Now you can see from here the two icons arrange itself here. So this was the duty of this option. Then we have align icons to grid. If you for example, I'm taking this icon and I'm dragging on the top of this icon. Now it is not dragging on the top of one another. If you disable this icon, you can place the icon anywhere. First, let me disable this option. Now it will work. For example, I am bringing this icon and placing it on the top of this icon. Now you can see it is appearing in an order. So this is the duty of this option. You can drag and drop the icon anywhere you want. The rectangle that you are seeing, this is called a grid. Okay, this is called a grid. If you enable this option, it will arrange itself according to grid. Now you can see here and also selecting the automatic arrange icons. Now all the icons are arranged and all the icons are arranged according to grid. Now we have another option, Shortstop Icons. So it is enabled, so you are seeing all the icons which appears on the desktop. If you disable this icon option, these icons will hide from the desktop. Now all the icons are hide, and I am enabling this option again. So then we have sort. Then we have another option, sort. When you bring the mouse on the sort by, you will see another window. It will sort these icons by different options. For example, I want to sort these icons by name. It will sort the icons by name A to Z. If you again click on the sort by name, then it will sort the icons from Z to A. So this is the duty of this option. Now you can sort by size, you can sort by item type. Now first the folders are sorted, then the PDF files, then the Excel sheet files, then the Word files, and so on. If you sort by date modified, it will sort the icons by the date modified. This is the latest file that I have made changes in it. If you click on the date modifier again, this is the file that it was modified earlier. Then we have a refresh. You can refresh the window by this option. You can refresh the desktop. Then we have new. If you click on new, another window will open, and in this window we have some different options. If you want to create a new folder, click on folder. Now the new folder is created. Give a name to it, for example training folder. So you can create a new folder. If you open this window again, here another option will appear, undo rename. We created a folder and give a name to it. If you want to undo this change, you can click on undo rename. Now it is again renamed to new folder 3. Okay, and now we have another option appear here. If you want to undo the changes, you want to delete the new folder again, you don't want this folder, you can click on the undo new. Now the folder is deleted. If you want to bring the new folder again, you can bring it. Click on redo new. Now the folder is appeared again here. The folder is created again. If you want to bring the training folder name again, so you can click on the redo rename. Now the name is changed again. Okay, this was the duty of this option. If you click on the new, we have some other options. Now let's click on shortcut. Click on the shortcut. If you want to make a shortcut of any program, so from here you can create the shortcut. For example, I'm clicking on the browse. I'm coming to the drive, this PC, official data, and I'm creating the shortcut of this folder. Okay, click on OK. Now click on next. Click on next. The shortcut name is this. Okay, you can also change the name. For example ICT data shortcut. Click on finish. Now the shortcut is created. Now double click on the shortcut. I want to make here some changes. I am creating a new Microsoft Access database. Now the database is created here. Now let's open the drive D, official data. Open this folder. Now the database is created here, so you can create shortcut from this option. Now we have some other options. For example, if you want to make Microsoft Access database on the desktop, so it appears on the desktop, you can double click on it. You can create a new database from here. For example, clicking on the table. Now you can bring some changes in it. Let me close this window. Here are some other options you can try by yourself. We have bitmap image, Microsoft Word document, Microsoft Access database, Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, Microsoft Publisher document, WinRAR archive text document, Microsoft Excel worksheet, WinRAR zip archive. Okay, now we have display settings. It is very lengthy. We will have a separate lecture on it. We have personalized. We will also have a separate lecture on it. And we have open in terminal. If you click open in terminal, it will open the desktop in a command prompt. Now you can see we are in drive C, then in users, then the username, and then you are seeing we are in the desktop. Okay, so you can open the desktop in the terminal window as well. Then at the end we have show more options. If you click on this option, the window will appear like this. Okay, this is the duty of this option. Click on refresh. So this was the video about desktop. I hope you learned something from this video. Goodbye, thank you.